Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Cynthia Jeanette. Good morning everyone, or good night. Not what I'm gonna say. It is currently 6:25 a.m. so excuse me for my sore throat. And it is 42 degrees where I am currently located. So I'm very feeling the fall vibe right now. So currently we are in my restroom slash vanity. We're in front of my vanity right now, and that's where I'm shooting this video currently. And for today's video, I'm going to do a get ready with me before work, and this is a quick everyday makeup routine that I do to get ready for work, and it's not going to take too long. It's not very hard to create, so I just thought to share that with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get on with this video. So before I apply any makeup, of course I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to use my current routine right now. It's going to include the Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray by Flower Beauty, and I'm just going to spray this across my face. This smells very wonderful, like flowers, and I bought that from my and I bought that at Walmart, and I did a haul. So if you want to take a look at that, you can click on it on the screen on the corner over here, the top screen, the top corner. It's gonna be over here. I'm gonna link it. And of course I already moisturized my face using the oil-free acne moisturizer, and it smells like pink grapefruit from Neutrogena Cosmetics. And I'm sorry for the lighting quality. I'm working with what I got. Next up, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Swatch that. That's all you need. Seriously, and it also says on the back of the bottle, and you don't need a lot, because if you watched my last video, I was an oily hot mess. So I'm just going to apply this where I have the most pores, where I want to minimize my pores, usually around my cheek area and my jaw and my forehead, excuse me. So now, next up for foundation, and right now the foundation that I've been loving, it's Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation, and this is in medium 28 camel. To apply my foundation, I'm going to use this very dirty foundation brush by Run Wild. Hard to get it out though. You have to pump it a lot of times. Makeup lady at Sephora told me this is for all skin types and have sensitive skin, so it's pretty. So far it's working out. I haven't broken out in pimples yet, so that's okay with me. Next up for my makeup routine, I'm going to use this wet beauty blender. Make sure you dry off all the excess water, and I'm just going to plop this or bounce it off my face, just to get any what's that called, any creases, you know. It just makes very seamless foundation base. I do this for a couple of times. Your nose. There we go. And for concealer, I've been loving this Instant Age Rewind Erase Concealer, and this is from my makeup haul that I did 2 videos ago, and I will also link it in the corner. What I'm going to do is like twist it. Eventually get some. On my forehead. So I'm just going to leave that setting for a little while. I'm going to go to my eyebrows. For my eyebrow routine, doesn't take a lot. Just need these 3 items. First is this spoolie. brush up my eyebrows. Perfect. And I'm gonna use CoverGirl pomade in 705. Like this. Just get off. It is a wonderful makeup product. Wonderful formula. It's amazing. I love it. I'm probably just gonna take this. I'm not gonna go into detail about my eyebrows, but if you want to see my eyebrow everyday routine, then comment down below. Like this video if you want to look, if you want me to make an eyebrow routine. This is how my face is looking right now, and I already planned out the concealer, and I love this Rewind Age concealer. And now I'm just gonna go. I did my eyebrows, this eyebrow off camera, and now I'm gonna go with my Norvina eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You don't have to use this palette, you can use whatever palette you want. So I'm just gonna use this Passion right here, this Passion color angled, small angle brush you have. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna apply some powder. This much. To set in the concealer. Work at the sides of your nostrils. I'm bouncing it really all over my face and forehead. Just start in the middle. Make a line close to your lash line. Just sweep this all across your eyelid. Make a line. If it's too thick, we can fix that later. Bring it back. I'm going to do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how my eyeliner with eyeshadow is turning out so far. It's kind of soft. Not really too dramatic. I'm going to bring it all the way out. Just a little bit. You can shorten the tail if you want. You can do it, does not be as long. But anyways, now I'm going to apply incense right here. This color, soft brown tan color. Well, this is more tan. This is brown, ashy brown. Just gonna apply that with so much of it I have on the brush. Tap off the excess. I'm gonna place it just above the crease area, very softly. Gentle strokes, windshield wiper motions, if you will. Kind of hard to connect the tail of your eyeliner with your eyeshadow, but it is doable. You just have to go really slow not to mess up that eyeliner tail. And I'm going to concentrate this area of my eye. I don't want it super heavy, but I do want some color there. So this eye's already done. I cut my crease. I'm going to show you very simple steps. All you have to do is take your small concealer brush and spray it with setting spray, like so. Saturate it with setting spray, and then you're going to take base shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, this shade right here. So both sides of the brush. Pack it up, pack it in, pack it out, whatever. And then you're gonna start in the middle. This is where I can fix my mistakes. If I did a mistake with my eyeliner, I just go over and cover it up. If there's any harsh lines on the eyeliner, what you want to do is just cut your crease where you see your eyelid crease. Then I'm going to take Dreamer, very buttery formula, and then you can also take that, place it, begin on the middle. Just place it all over your lid. There is some fallout, so you can, maybe you can, if the camera picks it up, but there is some fallout. And then I'm just going to place Dreamer on my inner corner. I'm going to take this Morphe B83 brush. I'm going to take volatile, this one, and say that one, small amount, and place this on my Alrighty then, I already applied my lashes by Kiss Cosmetics. I bought them at Walmart for like $2 something. And I also applied Bare Minerals Lash Domination mascara on my lower lash line and my my lower lashes and my upper lashes. So now I'm going to add, I'm just gonna add some color back to my face, and I'm gonna use this Sephora Snow Glow palette. I'm gonna use this bronzer right here. It is a, whatchamacallit, has some shimmer on it. You could tell, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's not matte, completely matte. It just has some shimmer on it. It's not patchy at all. I just have something in the back of my hand, but it's making it patchy. My go-to brush, bronzer brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to pat that in to my brush. I'll do this number. Contour my face a little using, this e.l.f. Contouring brush, this much. I'm gonna wipe some away using my large angled brush. Use this for my blush. Now I'm gonna apply my lip color. That's too dramatic. I want something soft for work, not something that. This is Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline. Smells like ginger. Smells like cookies. The yummy cookies. Right, so this is how my makeup turned out. I hope you guys like it, and give this video a thumbs up, and also thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. It really means a lot to me, and yeah, so if you like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell, the little bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload, and comment down below with any questions. And I wish you all a happy and wonderful week.